Why, good morning, it's John. Today we're going to go metal detecting. So that's pretty exciting. We're going to find treasure, hopefully. Well, it's metal detecting day here in Happy Valley Park. The lads are just taking the time. We did good yesterday, we didn't record anything, but we found a ring and some coins. We've got a hit there, so we'll give that a try. There you go, well, we've got a quarter out there, a quarter.
Let's go get it.
You'll do it?
Good
on.
Want to dig it out with your imaginary shovel? Just dig it out. It's fast.
Open it a bit more?
Yeah. Oh, I just
see something. Just under the soil. I saw it.
Why is the white one? It's right under there.
Yep. You want to get it now?
Yeah. What's right there? Pull tab.
Show the camera what you found.
It's a pull tab.
Ah.
It's a soda tab.
Ah. Now we're going to show you guys how to fill your hole in when you finish metal detecting. You have to put everything back as you found it.
And then you keep the pull tab as a treasure.
We keep this pull tab as a treasure to put in the garbage for people. So we are doing a service to the community.
Do
we do it?
Yeah, you do it.
Yeah, the soil's a little bit hard, so I'm doing the diggy part.
Oh, I heard a metal.
Yes, I
heard a metal hit.
Yeah, it was the type of metal that sounds like a sprinkler pipe.
No. Sprinkler pipe, I knew it.
Oh, maybe not.
What is this
Maybe
thing?
not.
Something shiny. What is this thing?
It's a rock.
It's a rock.
Okay, who wants to?
I'll do it.
Okay. It might be a meteorite. Alvin, meteorites are worth a lot of money.
Did you just throw a meteorite right there? Get it back! Oh, let's see. Maybe from the top. Oh, it's on the top.
Ah,
Yep,
okay, okay. Good.
Hey, a meteorite! That's just a normal rock.
Well, you know you tell a meteorite. You're magnetic a lot of times. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Still there.
You get to one side of the camera so that the camera's not giving you a boom. There you go. I can see it already.
Oh, the cool.
Show the camera what you found.
It looks like a penny.
Hold in front of the lens. Further down. Hey. Alright, so we've got. Is it a penny or a. Yeah, you're right, no, it is a penny. You get the second prize.
Yeah.
And I'll get the third prize, which will be a giant golden ring.
Hope so.
No, I wish. Okay.
Like $10.
Right, are we ready for the next one? Okay, we just found another target. Detector number 1 is going to try and find it with the pinpointer. Oh, sounds like he's found it already.
Dig it up.
And Special Digger Alvin goes and attacks everything with all his might and gusto. Look at that.
That's good.
No, you were there. You were touching it, I think. Yep, it's there. What did you find?
It looks like a bullet. Like small.
Let's have a look. Oh yeah, it looks like they found a
bullet.
A bullet. That's always a good thing to find.
Murder mystery.
Not actually just a piece of dowel, but
what's a dowel?
they're fine. Go back down and see if there's any more. Eh? Not, yeah, put the pinpointer on and see if you can see if there's anything else.
In the hole. And no more.
I guess that's a no, huh? Alright. Another successful hole fill.
We're finished metal detecting. Thanks for watching. See you next time.